Herbal honey today. I'm doing bee balm. We're using raw unfiltered honey, and we're got the herbs already cut up. It's quite simple with herbal honeys. Just fill up your clean, sterilized jar. Oops, let's get all that in there. And we're going to fill this about halfway. I might have a little more than halfway, but oh well, it'll work. We're gonna, now it's bee balm, and I'm leaving the flowers whole. And then I'm gonna cover that in honey. And we're going to do it about there. Now we're going to let the air bubbles air out, and then we'll lid it, label it, date it, store it in a cool place for 1 to 6 weeks, and voila, herbal honey.